In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze multiple rows in Excel. When you're working with large spreadsheets, it's really common to lose track of your headers as you scroll down. Freezing rows helps you lock important information, like titles or column labels, so they stay visible no matter how far you move through the sheet. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to freeze more than just the top row, using a simple trick that works in most modern versions of Excel. First, open your Excel file and make sure you're on the worksheet where you want to freeze rows. Take a moment to look at which rows you want to keep visible at all times. Usually, this might be your main header row, plus one or two additional rows that contain filters, subheadings, or important notes. Here's the key idea. Excel freezes everything above the cell you select when you use the Freeze Panes option. That means you don't actually select the rows you want to freeze. Instead, you click the row just below them. For example, if you want to freeze the first 3 rows, you'll need to click any cell in row 4. It doesn't matter which column you choose, as long as your cursor is somewhere in that 4th row. Take care here, because if you click the wrong row, Excel will freeze the wrong section, and you'll need to redo it. Once your cursor is in the correct row, go to the top of Excel and look for the View tab on the ribbon. Click on View and then find the Freeze Panes option. You'll usually see 3 choices: Freeze Panes, Freeze Top Row, and Freeze First Column. For multiple rows, you want the main Freeze Panes option, not Freeze Top Row. Click Freeze Panes, and Excel will instantly lock all rows above your selected row. Try scrolling down the sheet to check. You should see that your chosen header rows now stay in place while the rest of the data moves underneath them. If something doesn't look right, or you chose the wrong row by mistake, you can easily fix it. Go back to the View tab, click Freeze Panes again, and this time choose Unfreeze Panes. Then, simply repeat the process, placing your cursor in the correct row before freezing. This method works the same way whether you're freezing 2 rows, 5 rows, or more. Just remember, select the row below what you want to freeze, then use Freeze Panes from the View tab.